Hi, I'm Dr. Sunil Verma, Head of IQAC at Echelon Institute of Technology, Faridabad. I joined this institution in the year 2022, and before that, I was Assistant Dean of Academics in Texila American University, Zambia. So when I joined in here, within about 10-15 days, I encountered one issue back home, and which was troubling me, and I was worried about my new job and new responsibility, and that issue back home. And I was surprised to notice that my management was behind me and supported me like anything. I could not have imagined. I mean, anything of that sort from management, and when I was very new to the organization. And because of that, I was able to come out of that issue and focus on my job responsibilities and the problem back home. And that was a kind of surprise for me, because I was very new to the organization. And almost every organization talks about that we are a family, but you see, this one incident really showcased, or given the me the belief that this is in actuality is a family. And in all these 4 years, I've noticed that the institute is like a family, and I've never felt that I'm working outside my family zone or family environment. And when it comes to the institution, the institute is working towards the holistic development of the students, and ensuring that they develop in all the aspects. And when it comes to the chairman of the institute, he is a IIT alumnus and a spiritual leader. And his philosophies are one of the philosophy I still remember, and is about that the institute is for the students for the life, not for the 4 year. And that is something which I also believe in, that if the student has taken admission in any institute for that matter, the institute should be there for the student throughout their life, not just for the tenure of their degree. So these are some aspects, and this institute is truly a modern Gurukul, and works on the philosophy of experiential education, and students are getting the real exposure. And I also believe that learning can take place by doing only, and experiential education is the way forward. And this year institute is coming up with some laboratories, or that is industry supported laboratories, which to name a few: Google, Apple, IBM, and many more, like NVIDIA is there. So many more laboratories are coming, which will further enhance the experiential education experience of the students. Thank you.